Hussain, members of Pakistan-China Business Forum, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It is really a great pleasure to be here today to attend this first meeting of Pakistan-China Business Investment Forum, and I would like to congratulate Minister Ahsan Iqbal, Minister Shehbaz Hussain and Ambassador Nongrang for providing all kind of help and support to arrange this conference, and I hope this forum will be very proactive in building business relations between the two very friendly and brotherly countries, Pakistan and China. Tomorrow, inshallah, we are leaving for our visit to our great friend China, and we look forward to meeting Chinese leadership and have very productive and fruitful discussions with very visionary President Xi Jinping and Premier Li and other Chinese authorities to promote and further enhance our business, our strategic and our cultural relations with the two countries. I feel and strongly believe that CPEC has been a game changer in building our business relations between the two countries. And so far, billions of dollars of investment under CPEC has already been committed by Chinese companies, and as a result of that, Pakistan was able to escape massive load shedding during those years, and our industry and agriculture was able to come back into life, because 20 hours power outages at that point in time had crippled our economy. So CPEC has been the game changer, and now is the time to build our B2B business relations. This will not only further augment CPEC's dividends, but it will expand business relations between Pakistan and China. And there is huge potential. What Honorable Minister Ahsan Iqbal and Chaudhry Shehbaz Hussain and Ambassador Nongrang have just said, I will not repeat that. But it is very important to understand, with China being the second largest economy in the world, and now one of the largest investors in Pakistan, here is an opportunity that we can really advance our exports to China, imports from China. For example, labor-intensive industry And labor is now very expensive in China now. And China is moving towards more sophisticated, high-tech industry. Now that labor-intensive industry, which has been established in China, if that is relocated in Pakistan by establishing special economic zones and providing special incentives, this will mean that Pakistan, with its still comparatively cheaper labor, can make production of items which can be then re-exported to China and other countries in the region and other parts of the world. Now this will be a win-win situation for Chinese business houses and Pakistani business houses. And in agriculture, we can really cooperate in a big way. Chinese modern technology and technique in agriculture to increase your per acre yield will be very helpful for Pakistani agri-industry. And then, based on our agri-production in the rural areas of Pakistan, we can install agro-based industrial houses. And through that agri-production, we can convert those items into industrial items and then export to Middle East and other parts of the world. So there are huge options. I think sky is the limit. So I would like to request Minister of Planning and Minister of Board of Investment and other colleagues in this hall and who are not here but relevant to this wonderful initiative, that let's join hands and move forward and create a win-win position for both Chinese businessmen and Pakistani businessmen. I would like to once again thank the Chinese government through our Chinese ambassador, our friend, for very valuable support provided to Pakistan in this need of hour. China is at the moment one of the largest donors towards flood-affected people in Pakistan. China had created air bridge between Beijing and Islamabad, sending very important items for flood-affected areas like tents and food and medical teams. Like, we're very grateful. I didn't know, Ambassador, that from your hometown, medical team is operating in various parts of flood-affected provinces of Pakistan. Thank you very much. I'd like to convey my deep sense of gratitude to your hometown people and convey my gratitude to them and sincere thanks. It's very kind of you. Chinese companies, Chinese individuals have really contributed in a big way, and that shows the depth of this friendship, the strength of this friendship, which is unmatched, in fact. And I think, as the saying goes, that time and tide wait for none. Here is an opportunity to double down our efforts and connect with our Chinese business friends and business houses and create a very enabling environment to attract Chinese investments, export more to China, import more to Pakistan, have more FDIs. This is what is the need of the hour, and I think our visit to China will be very helpful to accomplish and achieve these targets in a big way. Tomorrow we leave for China, and I look forward to my visit to my great friendly country, China. And this will be my, God knows, 30th visit or 35th visit, I don't know. But I remember having visited China for the first time in 1982. You could hardly see a car on the roads. Those were the days when you could see in Beijing buses and bicycles. And today it's a different landscape. Millions and millions of cars running in Chinese cities. And China producing goods, exporting all over the world. 700 million people have come out of poverty line in China. These are great achievements, unheard of under the visionary leadership of President Xi. And I think we need to emulate Chinese model. We need to learn from them and implement here in Pakistan in letter and spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is the time. Let's not waste our time, because time waits for none. It moves on without any seconds delay. Let's cash upon this opportunity, and God willing, we will be able to achieve our destination one day soon. Thank you very much. Pakistan Cheen Dosti Zindabad.